This Century 21 United property video is presented by Judy Holland. French Acadian architectural style on fantastic corner lot includes a side entry garage. Features include open floor plan with spacious living room, 10 feet ceiling, dining room and breakfast bar, fireplace, gas logs, with on/off electrical switch, built-in entertainment center, glazed/stained custom cabinetry, tile backspash and recess lighting. Beautiful molding throughout, security system and sprinkler system in front and back. Remote master includes an ensuite with double vanities, separate shower and tub. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Holland at 318-349-6983.